Thing I'm sure that everybody loves to do. We all need to clean the house. Maybe not everybody loves to do it, but it is something we need to do. And in order to clean the house, we need a brush. Yep, we need a brush. We need a sponge. Okay. We need a dust cloth. We need a vacuum cleaner. Right? And we need a broom. Okay. Could I have someone come up here to the front and be a volunteer? Thank you very much, Hassan. Okay, Hassan, I'd like you to point to the vacuum cleaner. Okay, could you point to the sponge? Okay, could you point to the brush? Okay, could you point to the broom? That's right. Could you point to the dust cloth? Okay, could you point to the broom? Okay, point to the vacuum cleaner. Okay, point to the sponge. Okay, point to the brush. Point to the vacuum cleaner. Point to the broom. Point to the dust cloth. Okay, good. Thank you. Could you sit down? Okay. So, I'd like the whole class to do that. Point to the dust cloth. Okay, point to the brush. Okay, point to the dust cloth. Okay, don't point to the brush. Okay, could you point to the vacuum cleaner, the broom, and then the dust cloth? Okay, could you point to the sponge, the vacuum cleaner, and then the brush? Okay, very good. Now, we're going to use the sponge to wipe the counter. Okay, now, we visited a house the other day, do you remember? And we saw here was the sink. This is the sink, and here was this, the sponge to wipe the counter. Okay? So let's try this together. Watch me. I'm sweeping the floor, I'm vacuuming the rug, okay, I'm scrubbing the sink, I'm wiping the counter, and I'm dusting the bookshelves, okay? So let's just try the actions. Okay, could someone come up here and do the actions with me? Okay, Gideon, thank you. Okay, we don't need to use these, we can just pretend. Okay, we're going to sweep the kitchen floor. Sweep, right, okay? And then what will we do next? We'll wipe off the counter, okay? And then we're going to scrub the kitchen sink, okay? And then we're going to go into the living room and we're going to vacuum the rug. And then we're going to dust the bookshelves. Okay, so I'm just going to say something, we'll do it together. Dust the bookshelves, okay? Vacuum the rug. Okay, sweep the floor. Scrub the sink. Okay, wipe the counter. Okay, and did we forget one? Dust the bookshelves again. Okay, thank you very much. Could you sit down? Okay, now, everyone will do it together. How about if everybody stands up? Okay. So, let's first vacuum the rug. Okay, dust the bookshelves. Okay, wipe the counter. Scrub the sink. Okay, and sweep the floor. Okay, good. Now, sweep the floor, then vacuum the rug. That's right. So we sweep the floor and then we vacuum the rug. Okay, dust the bookshelf, then wipe the counter. Okay, so we dusted the bookshelf and then we wiped the counter. Okay, scrub the sink and then wipe the counter. Okay, so we scrub the sink and then we wipe the counter. Okay, let's go into the living room and we'll, yeah, thank you. Dust the bookshelves and vacuum the rug. Oh, good. You're very good house cleaners. That's great. Okay, why don't we sit down? Now, let's have, let's see. Enda, tell Gideon to scrub the sink. Okay, thank you. Gideon, tell Jesus to vacuum the rug. Okay. Jesus, tell Alphonse to wipe the counter.
Wipe the counter.
Okay. Alphonse, tell Abderrahmane to vacuum the rug.
Vacuum the rug.
Now, the next thing we have to do is I'm going to ask you to scrub the sink. Scrub the sink. Scrub the sink. Okay, now, we're going to scrub the sink quickly. Okay, now, scrub the sink carefully. 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 Okay? Wipe the counter quickly. Okay, wipe the counter carefully. Okay. Sweep the floor carefully. Now sweep it quickly. Okay. Vacuum the rug quickly. Okay. Now vacuum it carefully. Carefully. Okay. Let's see. Scrub the sink quickly and then vacuum the floor carefully. Oh, good. Okay. Now, dust the bookshelves carefully and then vacuum the floor quickly. Okay. Vacuum the rug carefully, dust the bookshelf quickly, and then run into the kitchen and sweep the floor quickly. Uh-oh.